Took him like 30 seconds to put it on the right side at least. Air, and we out of here. We out of here. Good looking, big dog. Appreciate that shit, man. Alright. This is 315. That's your favorite spot. Got my tag, $30. Get one that's 50. So it's quick and easy, man. Cost me $15, 15 for that one. And then he just put another one on for me for $15. Easy money. And everybody says it's hard to put these, everybody says it's hard to put these 315s on. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. You do it quick. Thank you, bro.
That one keeps left, right? That one left.
Yeah. Show you how easy it is. That wet on there. You told him for the passenger, right? Yeah.
It's like this 96. You got the long
Yeah, it's a different motor, that's why. Well, it depends on it, like the 98 and newer Camaros, yeah. Nope, you gotta swap the whole motor. Trying to be nice. I'm missing all the 91 wheels, but it's time to change this little racky motherfucker up, man. Yeah. It's that easy to put this tire on. It ain't hard as most people think. You don't need two people to put it on. It's only one person. They put it on the wrong side, maybe. Alright. Got all four on. Yeah. Yeah. All four. Fat tires make the coochie go, whoa, whoa. I got that box right there. That's something else. I ain't supposed to be showing y'all this, man. It's supposed to wait, and the car's supposed to be just slapped together. And then, you know, then you be like, damn, but that damn moment ain't gonna happen for a long time, so I'm just gonna show y'all little stuff. Little by little. The car's a bucket, bro. Dead ass it is. It's hot though. It's 107 degrees. It's that fucking sun. Sun been whooping me all day. It was last time I checked, it was last time I checked, it was 107. You ask me, shit, it's 136. I don't know, I think it's supposed to be 113 today or something like that in Vegas. Yep. That's a 285 in the front. Should have big tires too. My wife said I look like a raccoon. I don't care. She stay clowning. Like a raccoon, y'all? I want a house, man. It's too hot, cuz. Way too hot. Yo, I was out here chilling with the bro earlier. Damien, he just smashed out right now. Car's still dirty as hell. But them wheels though. Check me out. Dumb clean. Focus, bitch. Oh! Dumb clean, man. Yeah, buddy. Still a scraper though. Broken headlight.